A reading for the sign of Libra. So all that you need to know about your person. Okay. So what's currently happening? It's going to be a short reading. So what's currently happening? Okay, we have a card right now. There's a lot of confusion going on with Seven of Cups. Okay, you do not know what to do. You do not know what to expect. It could be that your person is keeping you in the cold. They are not giving you a clear idea as to what to expect from them or what to expect from this connection. It could also be that your person has multiple options and they are still confused as to whom to choose. This could also be you who's having multiple options between options between something new and something old. Okay, give me one more card as to what's happening in your life currently. Soulmate connection, Libra. Libra, please. Sorry. With Nine of Cups, I still feel like you guys are not that affected by it. I feel like yes, it's confusing you. Yes, it's kind of making you a bit upset, but it's not something that's kind of like affecting you in a very big way. I still see you doing yourself, still focused on yourself, still trying to go after what you want, still trying to do what you want. So I still see you in good energy, howsoever. Okay, give me one more card as to what can Libras possibly expect overall for the next 48 hours. What can Libras possibly? Okay, with Six of Wands, for many of you, I see you getting attention from other sources as well. Like there could be chances that you get attention from someone new today. Okay, for some of you, I see your person trying to get in back, like get in contact with you. Okay, like try to possibly get your attention. Top of the card, we have Seven of Swords. So I believe in some which way, some of you, not all Libras, but some of you are not being very open towards your person. You guys are second guessing it. You guys are not sure what to expect from them, from the first card, Seven of Cups. Okay, for some of you, I feel like you do not trust your person. You feel like your person is doing something sneaky and you cannot stay open to them. Okay, so take what resonates in your case. Give me one more card as to how is your soulmate thinking about you now. How is your soulmate thinking about you now? How is your soulmate, that is Libra, thinking about Libra? How is Libra thinking about Libra? One card for that, please. Okay. Right now, your person is extremely restless over you. I see them stressing out. They do not know what to do about you. In the past as well, they were overthinking about the whole situation. They feel stuck somewhere. I do not know if your person is stuck in a third party or they are cannot move towards you because of something, but they are definitely feeling stuck. They do not know what to do to come forward towards you, like possible strong action. Okay, like what's on their mind currently, what's on their mind, or like what are they up to regarding this connection, okay. With Four of Pentacles, darling, to be very honest, I feel your person is wanting to hold on to you, but exactly not open to completely dive in. Okay, top card is Five of Swords. I believe if you guys, this person pushed you away, of after saying something, doing something, then that's still on their mind. They still feel like you'll not be very open to them. So this fear of coming forward and being rejected is still affecting them. Okay, I feel your person will hold on to you. I don't see them quitting on you, but I don't see them taking some serious action towards you either. Okay, so yes, give me one more card for what can Libras possibly expect from their soulmate for the next 48 hours. What can Libras? Okay, so we have two cards. Empress card. Top of the we have King of Swords. Okay, so for many of you, your person, I believe, was not ready to give you commitment. Okay, they wanted a connection, but whatsoever, I do not feel howsoever that they are not exactly ready for commitment. They are not willing for a commitment. With Seven of Pentacles, they were the ones who possibly walked out or made it obvious that they are not looking for a commitment, and that kind of triggered you into wanting to stay away from them. Okay, top card is Eight of Cups. So I still see emotionally unavailability from your person's side. What are you up to? Let's see your energy now. What's Libra up to for the next few days? I believe honestly that you are doing fine, darling. Even though you're a little upset and a little confused, but that isn't affecting you much. I see you being in your own energy, doing well for yourself. Possibly for some of you going in a new direction, finding fulfillment within oneself. That sounds crazy, but it is possible. Okay, but yes. Okay, so give me one more card as to, yeah. We have Knight of Pentacles. So you aren't like sabotaging your life, or you aren't waiting for them. I see you continuing your life. I see you moving forward. I see you possibly doing what it takes to be where you are, and what you want to do. Like you're focusing on your career. You're focusing on your work life. You're doing yourself basically. You're not so affected by it. Okay. Top card we have is Fool card. So yes, you're, for some of you, I see you taking a leap of faith, and you are still very hopeful that good things are coming to you. Okay, and whatever they did to you, or whatever they are doing to you, isn't really affecting you affecting you much. Okay, so yes, in terms of how are they viewing you now? How are they viewing you now? With Queen of Pentacles. So sorry, I feel for many of you that this person is kind of missing you. They miss your nurturing energy. They miss your presence. They miss your advice. They miss you around them. Okay. With Ten of Pentacles, if for some of you, you treated them like a husband or wife, or you made them feel like a partner, in some which way, then they miss you from you. That nurturing, that caring, that love, that the way you expressed yourself, emotions, that partner kind of feeling. Okay, so give me one more card as to what are the current feelings towards you. With Two of Swords in the reverse, give me one more card, please. In the past, I see them clearly rejecting you, like not accepting your offer. Even if you offered them something, I don't see them accepting your offer. Wheel of Fortune in the reverse. They feel like something is definitely stopping them from coming towards you. They feel like the luck is not on your side, that things are not right for them to come forward, and now is not the time for them to take that leap of faith forward towards you, to even be optimistic about the relationship or positive about the relationship. I don't see them being open to the commitment part of the relationship. Okay, I want to be honest. Okay, I'm not going to sugarcoat things, telling you that your person is coming and your person is going to marry you and your person is going to want to have kids with you. Not happening here, buddy. Okay, one more card we have, Strength card. Your person is majorly holding back. Majorly holding back. Okay, you give me one card for the blockage. What's really stopping them? What's really stopping? First off, they are not taking action, so that's a major blockage. They are not just ready to take action because they feel this is not the time. Okay, they are wanting this in the future. Yeah, with Nine of Wands, they do not want to take that risk. They already feel like too much is happening in their life. You may not know, but I feel for some of you, your partner is going through a lot emotionally in their personal life. With their maybe if they have ex-partner, or with their parents, with their kids, something in their personal space has kind of messed up. Okay, you may not know about this. What else is blocking the connection, if you may know? And majorly I feel like they are not wanting to take that risk forward. Okay, or like what else do we see happening or blocking the connection? This is just a bonus reading. Okay, so since someone requested it, I'm posting it. Okay. The main reading that is almost personal reading. Those readings I do it for my subscribers. That is not a science specific reading, but that should apply to most of you. So do not miss those readings. Okay, do at least give it a watch once in a while. If it connects, it connects. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Okay. So yeah, with Seven of Wands, this person has been very, very resistive towards you. Like they are not just ready to let down their walls. Okay, this has always seen Nine of Wands, Seven of Wands, both similar cards, darling, both similar cards. And this person hasn't really expressed much regarding their feelings. The past, Queen of Swords, very detached, very emotionless. Okay, just practical communication, nothing much. With Knight of Swords, this person could have for selected few of you communicated with you recently, but they also left very soon. It did not lead anywhere. Okay, so one card for what are they wanting from you now? What are they wanting from you now? One card for what are they wanting from you now? with King of Wands. For some of you, this person wants an open relationship where you guys have a thing, but they are not exactly ready for a commitment. So they're looking for a casual connection. Okay, with Ace of Pentacles, I do see them like wanting to give you an offer. Okay, so they may think or want something passionate with you, but like about they also want you to let go of the past. So they want to possibly make things right with you. But darling, when it comes to commitment, usually Ace of Pentacles does mean something serious, but I do not see, like looking at the other cards, that this is leading to something serious. Okay, so I do feel like they're going to come back, but I still see commitment being a huge question mark. Okay, so where is this moving forward? So where is this moving forward for Libras? Where is this moving forward for Libras? One card for that, please. Yeah, with the Magician card, I do feel like you guys are definitely going to communicate with them. With Sun card, you guys are getting attention from them. And with Hanged Man, I still feel you're not like completely ready to decide on this connection. With Judgment card, a second chance is very much coming. So what long term is it going to lead to? Long term outcome of this connection, please. Yeah, with Six of Pentacles, if you want this connection to possibly balance out, that's going to happen. But commitment is still something that is something I do not see very clearly. Okay, so I feel they are still not ready for a committed long-term relationship. Yes, they are looking for something casual. That doesn't mean that they're going to cheat behind your back. It's just that they are not ready for that commitment. Like if this is going to lead somewhere, that is something that they are not ready to like promise or even consider, to be honest. Okay, so yes, like maybe they have issues, darling. Like maybe something is not right in their life. You never know. This is general reading, so it won't be resonating with each and every one of you. But yes, that's what I see. So what are they wanting to say to you now? What are they wanting to say to you now? What are they wanting to say to you now? Okay. I never said it before, but you do mean a lot to me. They cannot lose you. That's the major fear that they have. They fear losing you. They cannot lose you because you've been so nurturing, so kind, so generous with them. Okay, the Empress energy, always giving, always giving. Sorry. Yes, I try to stay away, but I can't. Okay, so they've been trying to possibly resist you, but that did not work for them. Okay, last card we have is I read our old conversations. Okay, the card. So yes, this is what I have for you. So yes, last we have is I thought you deserve better. So some of them might feel like you can get someone better than them as well. So that could have also been like getting in the way. Okay, so this is what I have for Libras for this next 48 hours. I'm giving a short reading, and also for those who haven't purchased Libra Twin Flame December, I've already had that for purchase like a week back or a couple of days back. But those who haven't purchased that and who had purchased but did not receive the file, please do email me with the screenshot or the payment receipt. Okay, those who are wanting to buy that and watch that, you could buy it for $5 through PayPal link or through my shop like that I've just started recently. There are two options for readings: personal readings that are know about your person, that's a very short reading, a very basic reading. Then there is soulmate reading. Okay, so if you want to book that, you could book that. And thank you so much, and please do like the video. Please do not miss my almost personal soulmate readings. I try to do my best to connect with each and every one of you. Please do give that a shot. Okay, and yeah, thank you so much and see you soon, guys. Cheers.